In the bustling streets of ancient Greece, every sneeze carried a deeper meaning. To them, a sneeze was more than a reflex. It was a direct message from the gods. The ancient Greeks believed that a sneeze was a sign, an omen of sorts. Depending on the direction of the sneeze, they interpreted it as a blessing or a warning from the divine. A sneeze to the right was seen as favorable, a nod from the gods that things would go well, but a sneeze to the left brought apprehension, a signal to be cautious in the intricate tapestry of their beliefs. Even a simple sneeze held a sacred place.